Apple and Broadcom sign multi-billion-dollar deal to manufacture more 5G components in the US and almost certainly will raise the prices on the US's most popular smartphone. Apple and Broadcom have inked a multi-year, multi-billion-dollar agreement to boost the manufacturing of 5G components in the United States. Apple produces some of the best smartphones and most powerful laptops out there. Though, for this to happen, the great iPhone maker relies on different sources and companies when it comes to acquiring parts for its devices. That's not to mention that the Cupertino overlord also depends on various factories across different countries to manufacture its products, minimizing its expenses in the process. Despite that, however, Apple has also been trying to boost its workforce in the United States to support the country's economy and create more job opportunities. The latest example is a multi-year, multi-billion-dollar deal that Apple and Broadcom just signed. Through a press release posted on its newsroom webpage, Apple today announced that it has inked a multi-billion-dollar deal with Broadcom. Through this agreement, the latter company will be developing 5G and cutting-edge, wireless connectivity components for Apple in the US. Tim Cook, Apple's CEO, states, quote, "We're thrilled to make commitments that harness the ingenuity, creativity, and innovative spirit of American manufacturing. All of Apple's products depend on technology, engineered and built here in the United States, and we'll continue to deepen our investments in the US economy because we have an unshakable belief in America's future." Unquote. Currently, Apple already supports over 1,100 jobs in Broadcom's Fort Collins FBAR filter manufacturing facility. Through this deal, Apple will further enable Broadcom to invest in notable projects and expand its workers' skills. And with Apple including 5G modems in even more of its products and the world rapidly adopting 5G technologies, this partnership will likely lead to some promising results. Apple first introduced a 5G-enabled iPhone back in 2020. Since then, the company has been slowly bringing this technology to more of its devices, including all cellular iPad models. Though, it's yet to be seen whether Apple will eventually introduce cellular-enabled MacBooks to further supercharge its popular notebooks. The cost of all Apple products that carry Broadcom's 5G modem is almost guaranteed to see a price hike. The manufacturing costs in the United States are drastically higher than other developing countries' manufacturing costs. The United States' higher manufacturing costs will be passed on to the end product to the end user to compensate the higher manufacturing costs. We are guessing a price increase of 5 to 7%, but not more than 10% higher than previous models. Customers can expect roughly a $50 to $100 price increase per model for the end user. Apple will almost certainly look to cut manufacturing costs in other departments to try and offset the end user's cost. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and stay tuned for more Apple and tech news.